morning days. In question number 10, exercise 18b, geometry section, we have given a circle, and inside a circle you can see there is a trapezium constructed in which O is the center and the radius of this circle is 7 centimeter. Then you can see this side is given 5 centimeter. There is a perpendicular which is given 3 centimeter. Then this hypotenuse no hypotenuse. This side is given 8 centimeter, and then these portions are shaded, and you have to get the area of shaded region. Now, as we have a radius, we can get the area of circle, and if the radius is 7, diameter would be 14. So we have parallel sides for trapezium also, but we didn't have the height for the trapezium. So we have to get the what would be the height of trapezium, is it? So what can we do? We can see this is a perpendicular line constructed and the hypotenuse and base is given. So may I get the height of this trapezium? For your convenience, you can give the names A, B, C, D, E. So in triangle C, B, E, CB is 5 centimeter, EB is 3 centimeter. So what would be CE? Under root 5 centimeter whole square minus 3 centimeter whole square. Why? According to Pythagoras theorem. So this gives you 25 centimeter square minus 9 centimeter square, or it gives you 16 centimeter square, or this is 4 centimeter. Now what would be the area of trapezium? Half into height into sum of parallel sides. Now we have got the height, that is 4 centimeter. We have the parallel side, that is 14 centimeter, and plus 8 centimeter. Why 14 centimeter? Though the radius is 7, so the diameter would be 14. So this gives you 2 2s are 4, 21 2s are 42 centimeter square. What would be the area of circle? That is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter square. 1 7 is cancelled. So 154 centimeter square. That's what area of shaded part. Shaded part would be 154 minus 42 centimeter square. 4 minus 2 2. 102 centimeter square will be the area of shaded region. Kindly write it. Just wait dear, this is 8, 20, 44, sorry, this is 44 and this is 110. There was a slight mistake, kindly correct it. 110 centimeter square, that will be 14 centimeter. This side is 14 and this is 8. So 14 plus 8, 22 into 2, 44 centimeter square. 154 minus 44 centimeter square, it will be 110 centimeter square. Kindly correct it dear. There was a slight mistake in writing. Look at the figure number B. Here you have given a circle and inside the circle there is a parallelogram. And that area of that parallelogram you have to find. You can see the circle is having radius of 7 centimeter and the base of parallelogram is 4 centimeter and height of parallelogram is 1.4 centimeter. So you just see it is given. You can get it area of circle minus area of parallelogram, is it? Now how to do it? Area of circle is pi r square minus area of parallelogram is base into height. So you will have the area of shaded part. So that you have to do. Look at question number 11. It says in an isosceles trapezium, the parallel sides are 21 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively, and the equal sides are of 20 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. Now let us see question number 11. Here it says parallel sides of trapezium are 45 centimeter and 21 centimeter, and this sides are 20 centimeter. Okay, given. Now for my convenience I have given the points. I am writing let ABCD be a trapezium, be an isosceles trapezium in which AB parallel CD and given AB is equal to 45 centimeter, CD is equal to 21 centimeter and AD is equal to BC is equal to 20 centimeter. Is it? Let DF and CE and DF perpendicular AB constructed. So that's what EF would be 21 centimeter. So AF is equal to EB is equal to 45 centimeter minus 21 centimeter. As we know, in the isosceles trapeziums, the base is divided equally. If this is equal, so this would be equal. Is it? According to isosceles trapeziums property. You can see this hypotenuse is equal. Now height is equal because the distance between the parallel side is equal, or you can write as AD is equal to BC, DF is equal to CE. So that's what AF would be equal to EB. This two sides are, these two triangles are congruent triangle, and if two sides are equal, third side of triangle is equal, we know. So this gives you by 2, or it gives you 5 minus 1 4, 24 by 2 centimeter or 12 centimeter. So what will be the length of CE? 20 centimeter square minus 12 centimeter square, 400 centimeter square minus 144 centimeter square, 256 centimeters square and 16 centimeters square. Centimeter will be the height. Now we have to get the area. Upper portion I am rubbing. So the area of trapezium is, so the area of trapezium half into 16 centimeter into 21 centimeter plus 45 centimeter, is it? 2 8s are 16, or it gives you 8 centimeter into 66 centimeter. 528 centimeters square. So you leave it up to here today. Next day we will be solving next sum. So you have to finish 10B. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.